What's up, guys? Welcome back to Jaboli's Garage. Today we're going to be putting some wheel lights on the F-150. So let's get to the shop and start installing them. See you there.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow.
Alrighty, now we got it up on the lift. Got all the wheels off, as you guys saw. I'm going to have to shape out the rings, run them nice and tight against the rotor, then start drilling the holes right here. Like, not actually, I don't know, I got to see exactly where I want them, where I have space to put the supports, but like probably one here, and one here, because it does here, and here, because it doesn't look like I got much room for anywhere else. Yeah, I do not have much room for anywhere else. So let's get setting up the rings so I can start setting up the mounts.
It's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet. Damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute. I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip, and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay.
Already got the first wheel ring mount done. I like running them extremely close to everything. Nothing's touching though. This is the cleanest look for me. It's almost a perfect circle. Pretty damn close. Cleanest way, nice rivets. Definitely the cleanest way, because then when I go put my stocks on, I don't have to worry about any clearing issues. So now let's bust out the other three and get those, and then mount the wheel lights on here and the wiring process.
Till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got you.
Alrighty, I finished up all the wheel lights. Now it's just time for me to run up all the wire. Actually, install the wheel lights, not just the rings. Install the wheel lights and run the wiring. So my first step, I'm just gonna go on all four and put the lights itself on it and zip tie it and get it ready to actually wire up.
We all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
Alrighty, I got all the wheel lights on right there. Now, just gonna wire them all up. Just run them through, follow the ABS or brake lines. Whatever one ends up being cleaner, just follow it and just run it up. So let's get to that and get a final product. Alrighty, now that I have all the wire ran up, I kind of just have this like laying across my engine bay because I didn't do that yet. I just ran everything up extremely nicely. Up on all four sides. And let's show you guys the back real quick. And then it just goes up following the cable wires. So now I'm just gonna put the wheels on so I can put the truck down on the ground so I can actually work on this nicely and roll my truck forward to open my door so I can run the switch.
Let's go. Hey. Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name. And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of race, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I?
Alrighty, so I gotta vacuum that up. I got the switch mounted up in there. And we got everything wired in. Now I'm just gonna wash the truck and I'll show a final review at night with everything on. Here's the final product at night, how it looks. They're extremely bright. Damn. Came out pretty sweet. Don't even need rock lights in this thing. Wasn't planning on doing them anyways. But honestly, not bad. Looks amazing. I'm pretty happy with it. Well, that's going to be it for today's video on the wheel lights on the F-150. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, share, subscribe for more. Until next time, peace.
I'm scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life. Whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night. Oh, and we all got dreams. We all want things, but what you gonna do for it?